Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best meat thermometer. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. ThermoPro TP03 Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. If you want your cash to go to steaks. Instead of thermometers, pick up a ThermoPro for a mere $14. You lose a bit of accuracy from the more expensive models, testing at about 1-2 degree off in the cold test and 0-2 degree in the warm water. The real break is in the read time, where the ThermoPro needs 5/8 seconds to lock in. The readout is medium-sized and the backlight is average. The handle is comfortable enough with enough distance to keep the heat reasonable. There are some nice storage extras on the ThermoPro, specifically a hanging hook and magnet to keep it handy. Go through just the features, and its average look at the features plus the price, and the ThermoPro is extraordinary. At $14, you should grab two, like the LavaTools model, but the controls are really bad. You've got to mash the power button a few times to get it to come on. Now, that might just be a fluke, but the backlight control is bad by design. Come on, almost worse. One of the buttons that is on there is a reset button, the right number of times to ever reboot a thermometer is 0. And Maverick thinks I need to do it enough to need a dedicated button. I could see how someone might like this better than the Thermopop, but the controls are just no good. Number 2. Kizen Instant Digital Meat Thermometer. The Kizen thermometer is fast, reads in 2 to 3 seconds, and is IP67 rated waterproof, so keeping it clean is easy. Wash it under running water and the durable structure will withstand any drops into that farmhouse sink. 2. It has the option for a gift box package and comes with a meat temperature guide if you're gifting it to your favorite grilling enthusiast. The probe retracts and the large loop and internal magnet make it easy to store. It comes pre-calibrated but can be recalibrated at any time for pinpoint accuracy. With 90% 5-star ratings, it is Amazon's #1 bestseller in meat thermometers and timers. Customers also raved about the customer service for any troubleshooting under the lifetime warranty. As one reviewer explains, we used it to cook a 16-pound prime rib on Christmas and it was perfect. Customer service has been outstanding. I received a follow-up email with a compilation of suggestions for most effective use and another reminding me that the product is under warranty should we have any issues. I'm an engineer who likes to cook. I bought the ThermoPro to use this related directly to the speed of measurement. There is no large probe to heat up and stabilize. Therefore, this fine tip gives an accurate reading in about 3 seconds. It is easy to handle. Number 3. ThermoPro TP16 Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP16 Digital does a great job handling the essential purpose of a programmable thermometer, though it doesn't include the additional features of similar meat thermometers featured in this review. Considering its performance and user-friendly interface, we believe that this basic-looking unit puts forth much more value than meets the eye. The TP16's response time is nearly half that of its nearest wireless competitor, the TP07, although the programs are limited to a probe mode, preset, timer, and recommended internal temperatures for only the most basic meats. The interface is incredibly intuitive. Even without the aid of the owner's manual, we figured out how to program this model in mere seconds. However, it's best to keep this one in the kitchen due to the lack of waterproof rating and the fact that the non-backlit LCD is very difficult to read in direct sunlight, and the evening's dimness. Measurement precision of 18 degrees Fahrenheit is not as strong as the other competitors in our tests and is only further explained by the readout's lack of a decimal resolution, but it has earned our praise for consistent efficacy as our testing proves that this wired thermometer is at least as accurate and often slightly better than the manufacturer claims. Number 4. Alpha Griller's Instant Red Thermometer. Serious grillers know that there are plenty of reasons to be grilling after dark, and this thermometer makes it a little easier with a backlight that makes the thermometer easy to read in any light, simple to use. The thermometer turns on as soon as you unfold the probe, so you don't need to fumble for a switch, and it turns off when you fold the probe down again. The ability to hold the displayed temperature means you won't have to lean over a hot grill to see it, while you can also set the thermometer to display either the minimum or maximum temperature that you've read. Our reviewer does note, however, that it takes anywhere from 4 to 7 seconds to get a steady reading. While this isn't a big deal for most grillers, keep this in mind if you're looking for a split-second reading. She says, a handy cooking guide on the thermometer reminds you of the proper cooking temperatures for most meats, so you won't have to remember the exact temperature of rare or medium well. This reads from -58 to 572 degrees, so you can use it for all of your cooking. Pros: display is backlit, automatic shutoff, waterproof, Cons: not actually an instant read thermometer. Number 5, ThermoPro TP20 Wireless Meat Thermometer. This is a top-rated thermometer intended for serious chefs. The probe wires are rated for temperatures of up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit, 380 degrees Celsius. This one is an excellently built smoker thermometer and probably the best leave-in digital meat thermometer too. It comes with an extended 5-year warranty on the sensor, so if you have any problems or incorrect temperature readings, the company will replace the probes without asking any questions. In this dual probe thermometer, you will find all of the features you would expect to find in a professional kitchen gadget. It has a large and simple LCD display that shows just all the important and necessary information. There are preset temperatures for 9 different types of meat: ground beef, ground poultry, veal, chicken, pork, beef, poultry, lamb and fish, and 4 different levels of doneness. You can also manually set your own temperatures. The receiver, which runs on 4 AAA batteries, has alarms, a countdown or count-up timer. This remote meat thermometer does a pretty good job of being just that without offering any extra distractions. Pros: dual probe design, includes timers and alarms, large, backlit display. Cons: there is no alarm on low temperatures.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.